See, when we have Monday, Tuesday, then when we try to drag it down, then you get Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is happening. Many of you must have used these kind of facilities. Yes or no?
Sir, we have utilized.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You have used. Fine. Now we will then remove them. Now the same way, let's say copper iron. Now this is an example which is already available. So what does it come? Copper, iron, steel, gold, platinum, bronze, silver. Again, copper, iron, steel, gold, platinum, bronze, silver. This is the product of some particular, let us say, a company. Now, if I remove these things, clear contents, again I take on the horizontal side, if I drag it, again it will give me the same kind of answer. Because this is not available in this system. So many times you will be repetitively doing a list. So it can be easily automated to an autofill option. That is what we will see. Now, if has anybody done this, your own list have you made so far? Anyone has done? Then I would like to know from you. Anyone has done this autofill? Can I have the answer, please?
We use for days only because that is a standardized set of values. We know
This
Saturday.
is available. Okay, fine. Let's
Yeah.
do one thing. We will take a new sheet now so that there is no confusion. I will make it bigger. Can somebody tell me your customized fields for autofill? Can somebody tell me? Anything?
We have done only for this weekly this thing and year-wise, when we drag on, we used to get it, we have done.
Correct. I fully agree with you, but can I have your own example of your customized this one? Can anybody, your product, your branches, anyone, if you are working or if you are having your own firm or you are a consultant, auditor, just give me, if you are doing with a company which has different products, like I have told you, I have taken a lot of products, like copper, iron, steel, gold. So I just need an example from any one of you on your live examples. Or
rice.
Yeah.
Rice, wheat, cotton.
Okay. Rice.
Wheat.
Yeah.
Cotton.
Oil. Pardon me?
Oil. Edible oil.
Okay.
Coffee. Coffee.
Yeah.
Spices.
Nuts.
Cocoa.
Pardon me?
Cocoa.
Coconut.
Cocoa. COCOA.
Oh, COCOA. Cocoa. Okay. Let's stop at this. This is the product, and many times what happens, you may be arriving at the product here and then month here, January, February, March. So it becomes easy for you. Let's say you are starting from April, you are having May. Now you want to do, I hope it works. So I have up to, let's say, this I think the system itself gives you this option. So you need not every time write April, May, June, you need not type. Now, how do I ensure that rice, wheat, cotton, oil, coffee, spices, nuts comes as a automatic thing? Whenever I do a new worksheet I open, I want to do this. Now I want this rice, wheat to be on the horizontally. It has to come like this. Then what I am supposed to do now? Either I'll have to retype everything, or I will have to do a transpose. I think I will not get into the how to do a transpose. I believe many of you must be knowing.
Yeah, just to select our list, then copy it down like that.
Like copy. No, you can copy down, but across, how do you do? It becomes difficult to know. You'll have to transpose from column to row. You'll have to do. It becomes difficult sometimes. Okay. Now your company is having these kind of products, so you want this to be repeated many times. So what we can do, we can make our own, what do you call, list. Let's see how we should do our own list. That is all. There should be a way, because 1, 2, 3, 4 has been given. So all these things, there must be a way, definitely. Let's have a look at it. This is what we are going to look at autofill today. So how do we do autofill? Can somebody tell me how to do? Any idea? How many of you have used this options? More options. How many of you have gone to this particular place in Excel? Anyone? How many times you have used this? Anyone has used?
Sometime only we are
Sometimes
using
I
when
have used.
if there is some error in Excel, like drag and drop sometimes or
Okay.
formula
Now
kind of.
please understand, this is Akshaya Patra for you. Kamadhenu for you in Excel. This particular option. I will again come back to this. How do we come? Because there can be a 3 full day discussions only on these options and all. Anyway, today we will see some of them. More options. Now in options, you have all these things: general, formula, data, proofing, save, language, accessibility, advanced, customize, quick access, add in, trust center. Okay, I'm not getting to, slowly we will see all them in the next one. You go to advanced. Now, when you go to advanced, then you just go down and see whether anything is there. What are all there in advanced? Advanced, we have got editing option. Then we have got copy, paste. Then we have link handling, pen, image size, print, chart, display option, display, formula. When calculating, general. What is available here? Can somebody tell me what is this? Edit, custom, list. This is where we are going to go now. This is the place. Edit custom list, right? We click this edit custom list. This is how you got the thing. Are you able to see copper, iron, platinum, Pune,
Yeah.
Mumbai? These are all the stainless steel grades, plant A, plant B, shock steering, ECU, all these things. Now what we can do, we will go and add a new this one. Okay, fine. Now we will lay out all these things. Now what we can do, I will again come back from where we left. Advanced, go down on the last one, edit custom list. Now we have copied. Let us see whether we are able to paste it. Let me copy here at this point. Let's see what happens. So file, more, options, advanced option, edit custom list, and let me see paste. It will not paste. So you will have to give the list as what we have given. I have kept on the right, left side. So what I will write, rice. Then can somebody read wheat?
Wheat, cotton,
Then cotton,
oil,
oil,
coffee,
coffee,
spices,
spices,
nuts,
nuts.
cocoa.
This is what I did. And then we say add. I will now close. Somebody asked me a question now. Who was that? Because I was not able to concentrate on the chat. 1 second. We will come out. There was a chat. Somebody asked me a question. I don't understand what was the question.
So Nageswar Rao asked, sir,
What was the question, please?
how many line items we can add as a standard custom list?
You can answer. I don't know the answer, but I don't think there is a limit. At least for our working, that there may not be a limit. Because if you see 1 to 100, you are able to drag, no? If you drag, so that is your custom list. Anyway, I will find out if there is a limitation. I don't think there is a limitation. There may not be a limitation, right? So right now what we will do, we will write rice, then we will write wheat, right? Now we take these two, minimum 2 rows, two figures you should have. Then you start doing it. Right, sir? Now I want it on the horizontal. So write wheat here.
Copy.
and then drag it horizontally, you will get everything. Good? Happy?
Happy. Yes.
How many of you are happy? Please tell me.
Yeah.
I tell you, this gives you a huge comfort. Yes, Mr. Raghupati, you want to say something? Please.
I was saying I'm also happy with it.
Oh, you are also happy. Thank you very much. There are 2-3 things you must remember. If this will work for a text field very happily, but by chance you put numbers and try to have a list, no, then it will create a problem, because then it get confused whether I should copy the number, add number and all. So if you want to have a number, like you remember, we have put a number series. Please have a look at it. Advanced. Look at this custom edit list where I have done this. Where is it? 301A, 304B, 304L. These are all stainless steel grade. Actually, there is no grade called 301A or 4B. But then we have put a A for the example says. Why? Because if it is text, then it becomes easy. If it is going to be number, then it will only copy. This is a limitation. So if you have a number, please ensure that you put a space after this, so that no, it doesn't create a problem. This is a limitation which you should remember. So this is available in the advanced options. Okay, so this is a very, very important thing which we can work on ourselves, and then it gives you a lots and lots of comfort, and then you are not spending your time unnecessarily, and you can start working. Please remember, the whole series of workshop is called Stay Smart and Sharp. That is we should not work hard being professionals. We should work smart, so that we produce our productivity and we produce more results for our customers, managers, company, or for ourselves if you are going to be auditors or consultants. Any doubt on this so far by anyone? Any doubt? Any